हेलो गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। प्रीवियस क्लास रे आमे जोठु छाडिला सेतिरु आमे स्टार्ट करिवा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रो आमे 651 क्वेश्चन पर्यंत डिस्कशन करितला सॉरी 649 क्वेश्चन पर्यंत डिस्कशन करितला। एबे 650 रु स्टार्ट करिवा। फर्स्ट, magnetic lines of force cannot intersect at all. Which direction does a free suspended magnet point to? North to south. Next, conversion of mechanical energy to electrical energy called generator. Next, a generators work on the principle of Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Next, a generator works on the Fleming right hand rule. Next, the yoke of DC machine is made of cast steel. The armature of DC machine is made of silicon steel. Next, the real working part of DC machine is armature winding. Most common DC machine are 4 poles. Small DC machine are 2 poles. A 4 pole DC machine has 4 magnetic circuit. Next, field structure of a DC machine use silent pole arrangement. The armature of a DC machine is laminated to reduce ED current loss. The current in a mature conductor of a DC machine is AC. Next, the brush voltage of drop in a DC machine is about 2 volt. Next, the number of parallel path in lap winding is equal to number of poles. Number of parallel path in wave winding is equal to 2. Lap winding is required to where high current and low voltage. Next, welding generator is required lap winding. Next, in small type of generator which magnetic is used permanent. In large generator electromagnet. AC producing machine is known as AC generator or alternator. Formula of induced EMF E is equal to BLV sin theta. In generator, the conductor of are parallel to flux in induced EMF is 0. Next, the generator, the conductor are perpendicular to the flux. The induced EMF is BLV high. In generator, slip ring is made of non-ferrous metal like copper, bronze, brass, etc. Next, how many slip ring are used in generator? 2. How many carbon brush are used in generator? 2. Brush is made of carbon and graphite. In generator, the shape of conductor is cylindrical. Commutator convert AC to DC. In commutator, segment is separated by mica. Brush collect current from commutator. How many types of DC generator? 3 types. गोटे है series, shunt and compound. Next, in which generator armature is connected in series with field? Right answer is series generator. In which generator armature is connected in parallel with field? Right answer is shunt generator. Which generator series parallel winding are connected with armature coil? Compound generator. Next, In a series generator, the field of coil consists of few and thick wire. In shunt generator, the field coil consists of more and thick wire. Which generator is used in posting purpose? Series generator. Which generator is used for battery charging? Right answer is shunt generator. Which generator terminal voltage is remain constant? Compound generator. Interfaces are connected in series with armature coil. Next. By using high resistance carbon brushes reduce sparkling. Which brush has highest resistance? Graphite. Which type of loss is maximum? Copper. Friction loss is also known as mechanical loss. Next. AD current loss and hysteresis loss both are caused iron loss. Iron loss and mechanical loss together are called stray losses. Condition for maximum efficiency. Variable loss is equal to constant loss. Efficiency is expressed in percentage. In series generator, the voltage regulator known as diverter. The machine which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy is called DC motor. Motor works on the principle of Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. Motor works on the which hand rule? Fleming left hand rule. Next. The motor develops torque. In motor which essential? Back EMF. The value of back EMF is equal to EB is equal to P phi Zn divided by 60 ampere. In motor, back EMF also called counter EMF. Back EMF opposes the which voltage? Applied voltage. As starting back EMF EB is equal to 0. The value of back EMF in a DC motor is maximum at no load. Motor equation given by EB is equal to IA into RA. When the speed of DC motor increase, the armature current decrease. The amount of back EMF of a shunt motor will increase when the field is strengthened. The speed of DC motor is inversely proportional to the flux per pole. Next. Armature reaction in a DC motor is increased when the armature current increases. Next. Speed of which motor is constant? Shunt motor. Which motor is a variable speed motor? Series motor. Which motor has the poor voltage regulation? Series. The most commonly method of speed control? Field strength. Which motor has the best speed regulation? Shunt motor. The series motor will overspeed when load is removed. Next. DC shunt motor are used where constant speed required. Next. Which motor has highest starting torque? Right answer is series. Commutative compound motor is used where sudden heavy load for short duration. Next, which motor is used to start heavy load? Right answer is series. A DC series motor is most suitable for cranes. Next, which motor is most suitable for punch press? Right answer is commutative compound. Next, most suitable motor for elevators are commutative motor. Next, the friction and windage loss depends on speed. The iron loss depends on both flux and speed. Greatest percentage power loss in a motor है copper loss. A motor takes large current at starting because black EMF is low. Excessive sparkling at the brushes may be caused by due to the dirt on commutator. Excessive motor vibration caused by worn bearing. आज क्वेश्चन आंसर सीरीज को आम एथिरे रखिबा नेक्स्ट क्लास रे बाकी सब डिस्कशन करिबा आउ प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड likes and share. Thank you so much.